Hi friends, in this video I am going to give a demo and review of, not a full demo and review but a partial one of this Philips Induction Cooktop HD4928. So this will be my third demo and review of a different brand of induction cooktop. The first one being Prestige Pick 3, which I used for more than 8.5 years. The second cooktop is IKEA Tilreda cooktop, which I am still using for the past 3.5 years. And this one I bought for this my shop. This is the pantry I set up here, making the IKEA Sanersta kitchen, which I have already, video of which I have already posted. So I thought of completing this setup by getting an induction cooktop here. So that's why I bought this third one for my shop. I just want to add here that I do 80% of my cooking on induction, as I feel it is not only faster but also energy saving. So my first impressions on this cooktop. So first the pluses. It is sleek looking, black in color with the white border and rounded edges in the front. The minimum and the maximum diameter of the cookware to be placed on the cooktop is clearly visible by this circles drawn here. A long power cord, 1.2 meters, plugged with 10 amp rating provided. Advisable to be used in a 5 and 15 amp socket like this. The control panel is in silver color. Controls are clearly visible with LED display in the center. Temperature ranging from 100 degrees to 240 degrees centigrade, and there's a wide range of power between 120 watts to 2100 watts. Now the minuses. Default time is 2 hours always, and there is a common LED display for both power and temperature. I'll discuss about these 2 points in my review video. Actually, I am not doing the full review in this video. I'm just going to explain a few basic functions because I have got to use it for some time. Only after I use cooktop for some time, I'll be making the full demo and review video. So in this video, I'll just demonstrate a few basic functions. So now let us see the overview of the controls. I'll be showing the top buttons from left to right and then the bottom buttons. And I'll not be switching on the induction for that. As you select each button, the LED on top of that will glow. So before the controls, this is the on-off button, which is used to switch on the induction. Now over to the top buttons. There are 6 buttons in the top. The first button is for manual selection and the rest are the auto cook options. And the manual button is for all type of cooking, in which you can choose your desired power level or the temperature and the time duration. This roti or dosa option is used to make rotis, parathas, dosas by placing a flat induction based tawa here. Third one is a gravy option. It lets you to make a gravy of your choice. It operates at different power levels for different durations for a total of 45 minutes. This is a stir fry option. We can cook foods which are to be continuously stirred. For example, dry vegetables. In this option, the temperature can be adjusted. The slow cook option is ideal for cooking at low temperature for a long time. And lastly, the pressure cook option is used for pressure cooking using an induction based pressure cooker. Now to the bottom row of buttons. So this is the temperature button for selecting the temperature option. So you can adjust temperature by using this minus and plus for decreasing and increasing temperature. The timer button is for increasing or decreasing the time by minutes. By default, the timer is set for 2 hours. The display in the middle shows the temperatures ranging from keep warm to 240 degrees centigrade and power levels from 120 watts to 2100 watts. The pause button is used to pause cooking, which can be resumed by pressing the button again. This model of Philips Induction Cooktop appears to be the most popular model, going by the number of people who have bought it. They have given a default time and temperature and power for each auto cook option, which has to be adjusted based on the type and quantity of the particular recipe. And that is the reason I always prefer the manual option, where I can set the power and temperature based on my usage and also adjust the time accordingly. With my experience of using the induction cooktop for over 11 years, I have learned to set these parameters like power, temperature and time to get correct results whether it is cooking, steaming or frying. So I'll now show demo of boiling half liter milk on this cooktop. So I'm going to boil half liter of milk in this induction. So press start. Now I'll go for manual option. So in manual option straight away it goes to 2 hours by default. So first I'll set the time. This half liter, so I'll just keep for by pressing this minus I'm reducing by 1 minute. So I'll keep for 4 minutes and it is in 1000 watts, so I'll just leave it as it is. So 2 minutes at 1000 is over. 1 more minute left, but I think I have to switch. So it's got over exactly in 4 minutes for a half liter milk in 4 minutes at 1000 watts. So that's all for now in this video. After a month of using this cooktop, I will post a full-fledged review of this induction. Also comparing with my other two inductions, one which I've used already for 8 years, that is a Prestige induction cooktop, and the one which I'm still using for the past 3.5 years, that is a IKEA Tellura induction. Thank you for watching this video. Take care, stay safe, and bye bye till my next video.